I am back with another video, and I made it to Tunica, Mississippi. This is off of Highway 61, aka Blues Highway, en route to Clarksdale, but I made a stop right here in the town of Tunica. As you can see right here, here's the Tunica Town Hall. Now this is actually my first video that I've ever done in the state of Mississippi. Tunica is known for its casinos and things of that nature, but instead of doing the casinos, I wanted to come to the Main Street area of the town to get a feel of the downtown area close to the Mississippi riverfront. Yesterday I was in a big city riverfront. Today I wanted to get the experience of coming to small town Mississippi riverfront that's actually located in the state of Mississippi. So I'm right here on Edwards Avenue in downtown Tunica. And here's a mural that says "Welcome to Tunica." Up front and up close and personal. They're gonna let it be known. And here is the people that made this particular mural possible, the Mural Park Project. So these are all parties involved with that. The gateway to the Blue Stage. So this is another one of those towns that's a gateway. So this is a gateway going down Highway 61 heading to Clarksdale. And as you can see, here comes a plaque that has the 10 Commandments. As with most small towns, there's always going to be that main street. It's going to kind of give you that Andy Griffith Show vibe to it. Small town. A lot of people, a lot of the locals know each other. There's mom and pop stores. There's a city hall, the county sheriff, all of that type of stuff. So, well, in this particular case, it's a town hall. It's like a little gazebo. It's nice. That's interesting. We have looks like a checkerboard that's engraved into the stone table, and they have stone chairs as well. Never seen anything like that. Definitely caught my eye. It looks like they're setting up a stage. Looks like there's going to be like some form of concert right here in the town square, as you can see right here. Getting the stage and the lights set up. Right here, there's like some little seats. So they have a nice little performance area right over here. And then you can sit up here and spectate the live band. Here comes a clock right here with the brick base. No, so they got the tent set up, so they work together as a team to get that set up. But yeah, it looks like there's going to be an event right here pretty soon on this cloudy yet beautiful day. It's actually a nice breeze coming in, so it's actually not too hot. Make my way across the street here. Typical with small towns, you got your mom and pop stores, you have antique shops. You see, here's an antique shop. It's closed right now. Antiques. They also have a jewelry store. It's closed. Not much going on this Thursday afternoon here in Tunica, but it's definitely somewhere that's was worth checking out. I actually felt a raindrop, so it looks like it may start raining soon. Oh, that's neat. They have this dolphin made out of stone. Felt a couple raindrops, but it's like the sun has come back out. And there goes the police department, Tunica, the town of Tunica Justice Complex. So it looks like that houses the police department of Tunica. And right over here we have a gentleman by the name of Harold Hardface Canton. Long before casinos bought legalized gambling and big name entertainment to Tunica, African-American entrepreneur Harold Hardface Clanton ran a flourishing operation here that offered games of chance, bootleg liquor, and the best in blues music. Nicknamed for the stone face he wore during poker games, Clanton owned several businesses, including a cafe near this site and the barn, an old Imhoon Landing Road where most of the action took place. So it was a lot of illegal activities going on as far as gambling, bootlegging. You know, this was during Prohibition, the Prohibition era, where alcohol was prohibited. But you know, that didn't stop the black market, you know, the underworld, from operating. So but yes, by the way, that marker, that historical marker, was courtesy of the Mississippi Blues Commission. And here goes the U.S. Postal Service post office here in Tunica. And there goes a pharmacy over there. And I also want to make note that there's a lot of old homes. There's some more recently built homes here too. Keep in mind, Tunica is really not that far from Memphis. This could easily be like a bedroom community to Memphis, not necessarily a suburb, because it has like that small town vibe. It doesn't really fit the bill of a suburb. It's more like a bedroom community slash small town. But public restrooms right there. Yes, as you can see right over here, they have those slanted parking spaces that you usually see in towns this size. So finding a parking space, it should not be an issue down here, unless they have some form of like major event that attracts a lot of people to this area. On a regular day, it doesn't really seem like you would have an issue finding a parking place. So Mississippi State Highway 4 actually intersects downtown. Tunica is located off 61, Highway 61, but Highway 4, Mississippi Highway 4, actually intersects it downtown. But it's not far off of the Highway 61 route, so that's the thing that's cool about it. Like a lot of things are closed today. I'm not quite sure. I mean, it's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Thursday. That's pretty interesting. It's not like it's Sunday. They do have a lot of old antique buildings, as you can see. Tunica County School District and the school buses.